Tonight's headlines: President Rodrigo Duterte mulls United States visit. First day of certificate of candidacy filing peaceful and organized. Coronavirus cases in the country at 2,565,487. Over 800,000 Pfizer vaccine doses arrive in the Philippines. Isolated rain showers to prevail over Metro Manila. And MRT4 project to generate 73,000 jobs. Good evening. Today is Friday, October 1, 2021. I am Elmer Navarro Manuel and this is Tribune News on Q. Here are the stories for this evening. President Rodrigo Duterte said Friday he is mulling on paying a visit to the United States to thank the American government for its COVID-19 vaccine donation to the Philippines. As of September 27, the U.S. government has facilitated the delivery of more than 16 million vaccine doses to the Philippines via COVAX, including more than 9 million doses donated by the American people. In December 2016, Duterte said his application for U.S. visa has been denied. At that time, the president said he was supposed to visit his girlfriend in college. In July 2021, the president decided to keep the visiting forces agreement between the Philippines and the United States. The Commission on Elections on Friday said the first day of the filing of the Certificate of Candidacy for the 2022 national elections was peaceful and organized. COMELEC spokesman James Jimenez said the COMELEC was prepared for any eventuality, adding that the Commission is confident that the poll body is off to a good start. He added that the Commission was still waiting for the full report from COMELEC regional offices, and all COMELEC offices were very prepared, and they were able to function smoothly with the help of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police. The COMELEC spokesperson also reported that health and safety protocols were strictly observed within the filing venues, and no congregation of supporters were seen near the COMELEC offices. The Department of Health reported 15,566 confirmed coronavirus disease cases on Friday to bring the total number of infections in the country to 2,565,487, even as 5 laboratories failed to submit data on time. This brought the active cases to 130,268, and of the total, 77.9% are mild, 15% are asymptomatic, 2.1% are severe, and 0.9% are in critical condition. The number of recoveries, on the other hand, rose to 2,396,726 after 23,483 patients recovered from the deadly disease. The death toll is now at 38,493 with 199 fatalities recorded. Data from the DOH also showed that the intensive care unit beds for COVID-19 patients remain at high risk, with 73% of the total 4,400 ICU beds in use, while 75% of the 1,500 beds in the National Capital Region are occupied. In other news, the Philippines on Friday welcomed more than 800,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine from the COVAX facility. According to the National Task Force Against COVID-19, a total of 883,350 doses landed at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3 around 4:15 p.m. Vaccine czar Carlito Galvez Jr., World Health Organization representative to the Philippines Rabindra Abeyasinghe, and United States Agency for International Development Health Director Michelle Lang Ali, among others, welcomed the vaccine. Galvez said the vaccine doses will be distributed to areas in Region 3, Region 4A, Region 7, and Region 9. State Weather Bureau Pagasa announced that partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers are expected to prevail over Metro Manila and the rest of the country due to localized thunderstorms. In its 24-hour forecast, the weather agency warned against possible flash floods or landslides during severe thunderstorms. Meanwhile, the weather agency said the intertropical convergence zone is also affecting Mindanao. The synoptic station at the Science Garden in Diliman, Quezon City recorded a minimum temperature of 25.4 degrees Celsius and a maximum temperature of 33.2 degrees Celsius. And in business, the Department of Transportation said that the Metro Rail Transit Line 4, or MRT4, is expected to generate over 73,000 direct and indirect jobs. This was announced by Transportation Secretary Arthur Tugade during the contract signing between the DOTR and Spain-based IDOM, Consulting Engineering Architecture, SA, which secured the contract for MRT4's detailed architectural and engineering design. The mobilization of the 58.9 million peso project was started after the DOTR issued IDOM the notice of award on September 17, 2021. Construction of the MRT4 is funded by official development assistance from the Asian Development Bank, according to the DOTR. That wraps up the stories tonight, and before we go, we would like to thank the SM Store, Araneta City, Department of Tourism, and Overseas Community Affairs Council member Alan Lin of the Republic of China for their continued support. Again, this is Elmer Navarro Manuel, and you're watching Tribune News on Q. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Good night, and God bless us all.